Hello! In this video we concentrate on and give additional information about such section as intra-community acquisitions and supplies. This is the fourth section when you're filling your VAT return on Lovat platform. These two steps with two types possible for each step here. Let's start with intra-community acquisition. The first type here is purchase of goods from supplier of other EU country. For example, you're submitting your German VAT return but bought goods from Belgian supplier at the same time and paid him €1,000 for the supply of these goods. From this side, he will invoice you with so-called reverse charge invoice. It means that VAT should be paid by us in the destination country, Germany in our case. All such reverse charge invoices containing your German VAT number should be filled on this step. Put the data and the number of such invoice. Fill the VAT number of our Belgian supplier and the value of purchases, €1,000. The VAT sum we need to calculate by ourselves for standard rate of 19%, €190 for our example. The reduced rate may apply for such things as medical equipment, e-books, etc. Click Add Record afterwards, and you can see that the invoice was added to your VAT return. The second type for this step is when you're moving your own goods from one country to another. For example, we sent our goods from our Polish warehouse to our German warehouse during this month. In this case, we should invoice ourselves to our German VAT number from our Polish VAT number. Let's fill it in. We've invoiced ourselves for €2,000 with standard rate. The VAT sum is €380. We fill our Polish VAT number here and add this record as well. So we have these two types of such operations filled. Now we're moving to another part of this section, intra-community supplies. Here can be two types of operations as well. The first one is sales to customer with VAT number in another country, and we start from this one. If you click yes here and have Amazon integration, you can see all such sales already filled automatically. We see that we sold our goods to customer with Italian VAT number for €32 value. Such operations are not subject to our VAT. This is the same reverse charge invoice, and VAT will be paid in Italy by the customer, but we still need to report this to the tax authorities. Let's also imagine that beside this transaction, we had another one and add it manually. For example, we sold goods to Austria for €500. We only fill the sum and the VAT number of the customer, an Austrian one. If the customer doesn't have a VAT number, such operation will be normal subject for our VAT and will be included on the first step of filing the VAT return. The second type of operations here is regarding the movement of goods. Here we assume that from our German warehouse, the goods were moved to Spanish warehouse and we have the Spanish VAT number. The value of goods is €100. We chose Spain as the country and fill our Spanish VAT number. Such movement could be done not only by ourselves, but also by Amazon fulfillment centers. Please take note that if you want your Lovat account to obtain and include such warehouse movement transactions from Amazon, you need to turn on Amazon VAT calculation services in your Amazon account. The short guide on how you can do it will be in the end of this video. After we filled this step, below you can see an opportunity to order a sales list report. This is a special report for these kinds of sales or movement of goods operating with another VAT number. It is a mandatory report if you had any, and you can check if it is already available in your subscription or order it. Sales list report will be automatically formed along with your VAT return. Now let's check if the data which we've just filled has affected our VAT return. The sum of our purchases from another EU country will be reflected both with plus and minus. Look for line of VAT due on acquisitions from other EU member states. Here the operations with our Belgian supplier and the movement of goods to our Polish VAT number are credited. the sum of €570. At the same time, they will be deducted from VAT return. Look for the line VAT reclaimed on purchases and other inputs, including acquisitions from EU countries. It will be the same sum. So, it means that VAT to pay will not change, as we both credited and deducted this VAT. VAT due to pay remains the same, and everything necessary is reported. Also below, we can see our sales list report, which we previously ordered.